want to know the biggest secret of universe, and if you want to know why people are in problem, why they are sad, why they are not happy in their life, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Tina Ashok Dhingra. I am organic lifestyle entrepreneur and coach, and I am on mission to help 1 billion people to live organic, healthy and happy life. Today I am going to talk about the biggest secret of universe. Do you know the biggest secret of universe is the power of surrender? And do you know people are in tension, worry, stress and in anger, and they are not happy because they are not able to control the situation, or they are not able to control the person. So either they want to control the situation, or otherwise they will try to control that person. That's why they are not happy in their life. So we have to learn the power of surrender. Do you know people have many limiting beliefs and many myths about power of surrender? Because first of all, they confuse between power of surrender and effort. They think if they are surrendered to God and if they are surrendered to universe, it means they have to not take any actions or they have to not do any effort. But they are wrong. That's why I told you many people having lot of limiting beliefs. They have information but they have wrong information. That's the reason they are struggling in their life. You have to take effort, but after that taking, like, you have to see big dreams, having a massive action for your dreams. But after that you have to surrender to God or Almighty, or the highest power of universe. That is very important. But if you will every time you will try to control each and every situation, and you will try to control people, everybody is unique. When somebody is trying to change you, you say everyone is unique, I am unique. But like, you are unique. That's the reason everybody is unique and other person is also unique. Why you are trying to change them? If everybody will be like you, you want I am like this, but that people is not according to you, and his behavior is different, and that person is disturbing you. Okay, because you are trying so hard to change them. But in your case, you think you are unique and you don't need any change, and you will be like this, you will be yourself. Then let them be, feel unique, and live your life. So, sometimes we try so hard to control any situation or people in our life. That's the reason we are, not happy in our life. We always feel sad because we think this situation is not happening according to our, expectation. And that's because we don't believe in process of life. We don't believe in God. If you really want power, and if you really want to connect with power of universe and power of Almighty, then you have to practice surrender, and you have to believe in the process of surrender. You have to completely surrender. But after doing your effort, after doing every massive action, then only you have to surrender. You can't learn things in wrong way, and then you can't blame the process. That's why I told you people have so many myths about surrender. They don't know how to practice surrender. They just learned one thing, but they are not doing right practice. Okay, knowing and actual, in doing actual, there is a difference. Okay, many people know many things, but they are not practicing in right way. That is the biggest problem of our generation. We know we have lot of information, we know many things, but we don't know how to practice in right way. Okay, they are using that information in wrong way, and that's the reason people are suffering a lot. So when you will believe in the power of universe, when you will believe in power of Almighty, like if you are doing some project, okay, take example, if you are doing some project in your like in your office or your house, when you think that somebody is disturbing you in between and not believing in process, and like in your home you are doing something and someone is disturbing you and coming in between and telling I don't believe you, and then they will not they have so much fear whether you will do good or bad, and whether it will work or not, why this happened. So before it started and before the project is not completed yet, but in process you have so many doubt about that person, then that person will be irritated, and that person can leave in between and go, and he will not help you. So same with the universe. When universe is trying to help you, when universe is trying to open doors for you, but you are not believing, you are telling you want something else. Okay, so first you have to see there are so much power, because very 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 less people understand this secret of, this is the biggest secret, I can say, biggest secret of universe. If you understand this secret, your life will be changed completely, and you will become magical person, and you will become the different personality. And there are 5 ways of practicing power of surrender, and how we can practice surrender in our life. Don't confuse yourself between effort and surrender. Second is, don't close your doors, okay, whenever some opportunity come in your life. Because see, you are asking God for help, but you are asking you are standing in only one door, and you are asking God help from that door. Maybe God is coming and trying to help you, and knocking your door, and but you are not opening your door, and you are just standing in only one gate and your vision, and you have to open that other doors also. Maybe whatever you are asking from this door, maybe God will give you from another door. Maybe standing in one place and just thinking and waiting in one door and asking, God is not giving you, because when maybe God is coming from other doors and you are not opening doors. So first you have to be open for all the opportunities, whatever opportunities are coming in your life. And first you have to, I'm not telling you have to take opportunities, but at least you should open the door and listen what is coming in your way, and what God and universe is standing in your way. Before knowing any opportunity, before opening your door, and you will be just sitting in one door and on one door and crying all the time ki opportunities are not coming. It is coming, but you are not opening door. What God and universe can do in that? Okay, first you have to open your mind for all the opportunities. So third is, look back and try to connect all the dots, then you will be understand whatever happens for good. Fourth is, don't try to control everything. You think you are the biggest and you are the smartest person on the earth or in the family. You think every time you are unique, and that person is not good, and this person is creating problem, and this person is not good, and you think you are unique. You don't want to change every situation. You want to disrupt the God process and the universe process. Whatever is happening in your life is happening for a purpose. So try to understand. Don't be over smart, and you want to give a lesson to everyone. That person is not doing good, I will give him good lesson. You are trying to improve everyone, but you are not improving your life. So first understand that. Don't try to control situations. Don't try to control anybody. Everybody is unique. As you are unique, then others also unique in their own way. So don't break your head. Don't be sad. Don't create unnecessary drama. Don't create unnecessary problems, and stop doing that. Fifth is, believe in God's process, because sometimes whatever happened in our life, we always in complaining mode, and we say कि भगवान तुमने ये क्यों किया, and why this is happened to me in my life, because you don't believe in God power, and you don't have trust of life, and you are always in tension, worry, fear, lot of fears, and you think this situation is not happening in your favor, and that's why you blame to God, why God is doing with you all the time, why God is sending problem to you, because you don't have belief in process. Don't try to disturb their work, and you just give your effort, see your dream. Don't try to change everyone. Don't try to control every situation. If you will learn this very small thing in your life, when you will start practicing this is a very small thing, but this have very powerful impact, because because only less people are try to understand this concept, and they don't believe in this process. That's the reason this is, this is the biggest secret. And practice this and change your life, create magic in your life. Thank you.